In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning Shopify banner using Canva, a popular online design tool that's both powerful and user-friendly. Whether you're just getting started with online marketing or enhancing your storefront's visual appeal, creating eye-catching banners can significantly impact your brand's online presence. To begin, you'll first want to open Canva in your preferred web browser. If you haven't set up an account yet, take a moment to do so, as it's free and offers an array of design possibilities at your fingertips. Once you're all set up and on the homepage, look for the button labeled Create a Design. You'll find it prominently displayed towards the upper right corner. Clicking this will lead you to a variety of design options, but today we're focusing on creating a custom-sized design. In the pane that appears, you'll see the option to enter specific dimensions. For your Shopify banner, enter 1200 pixels for the width and 400 pixels for the height. This size ensures that your banner will look crisp and professional across devices. After entering these dimensions, hit the Create Design button, which will open a blank canvas tailored to your chosen size. Now, to truly make your banner pop, you'll want to utilize Canva's rich library of templates. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Type in banner, and you'll be presented with a wide variety of design templates. Spend a little time scrolling through these to find one that matches your brand's aesthetic and the message you wish to convey. Once you've found a template that catches your eye, simply click on it to apply it to your blank canvas. With your selected template in place, feel free to start customizing it to better align with your brand's identity. You can change the text to reflect your unique message or promotional offer. Adjust the color scheme to match your brand's colors and play around with different font styles until you find one that complements your branding. Canva allows for a high degree of personalization, so take your time to get everything just right. Once you're satisfied with the look of your banner, it's time to finalize your creation. Direct your attention towards the top right of the screen and click on the Share button, which helps you access the download options. Under the file type, choose PNG for an image format that offers high-quality resolution, perfect for online use. Then, click on Download to save the image file to your computer. In just these simple steps, you've created a professional quality Shopify banner right in Canva. This new banner is not only designed to attract attention, but also to communicate your brand's message effectively, helping you to create a stronger online presence.